the Spanish Springs area today, and we are looking at a Galveston model in the village of El Cortez. So this was a 2-2, but they've done some really great work. They've put on a huge Florida room and added a golf cart garage. So you can see that here was the original house, but what they've done is they've added this golf cart path, which takes you over to the golf cart garage, which is really unique because we're on a corner lot. Like, there's just a big, huge space, lots of room in this home, and no side neighbor, which is really nice. So yeah, this is all addition where they put in this concrete trail. You've got this nice sitting area out front, covered, which is great. Stay out of the elements. And I'll show you what I mean when we get inside here. So walk right in and you can see how big this house is, almost 2,000 square feet. Off to the right, we've got fabulous little sitting area. Big screen TV, Netflix, Prime included. They've also got Blu-ray with a whack of DVDs where you can watch. So off to the right is a bedroom kitchen, and off to the left are more bedrooms and bathrooms. Let's go left, see what we got here. Guest bathroom, real nice. You got solar tubes, which allow so much light in. And then off to the left here is another bedroom sitting area. Nice workspace if you need to work from home, or if you just need a quiet space for an office. That's really great. Lots of storage, and big bedroom. The back of the house here. There is an entrance out to the yard that was put in. And if we go off to the right side of the home, you'll run into the garage entrance and master bedroom. So there's garage entrance, some storage. They have put in a whole bunch of things for the renters here. So different utensils for you to use. Coffee maker, iced tea maker, waffle maker, everything you need. Laundry facilities are here. And then off to the garage. Golf carts included, but they also have supplied golf clubs. They've got a grill here. They've got chairs for the squares, pickleball rackets. There's also a charcoal grill, an electric grill. They've a nice big garage with the screens, so if you are out here in the evening, you're not going to get any mosquitoes, which is really nice to be able to sit outside, watch the neighborhood. Go back in. Let's go look at the master bedroom. So big king-size bed. With a walk-in closet. And nice big bathroom. All remodeled. Nice walk-in shower. So this home is available for short-term rental. Really close to the Chula Vista adult pool, as well as the Rio Grande family pool. Look at this kitchen, really well done. Lazy Susan's in the corner. Coffee maker, supplies that you need. Air fryer, mixer. No shortage of what you need for this rental. Dining space in the middle of the house here. And then look at this addition. This was put in, and it's massive. Look at this space. So if you like to entertain, you've got this great dining area here, sitting area, window into the kitchen, which is nice. And then you've got another sitting area. And because this is a newer addition, it just feels really quiet and really, really secure. It's a spot. All new flooring throughout this home. So we're about half a mile to Spanish Springs. And with the golf court included, you can get there, 5 minutes basically. So if you're looking for a rental up in the Spanish Springs area, have a look at this beautiful short-term rental. It is available now. And I hope you enjoyed the tour. My name is David Anderson. I work with the Vets team in the villages. For more information on rental units, new home sales, resales, give me a call, reach out. I can help you.